Okay, my name's Lucy Riley, and I'm a second-year master's student in Human Development and Family Studies. 6% of the general adult population meets the criteria for alcohol use disorder. However, 20% of the college population meets this same criteria. According to the American Psychological Association, alcohol use disorder is defined as alcohol use patterns that result in impairment of physical, psychological, and/or social health. As many of you may know, alcohol use tends to skyrocket during the college years and has the potential to result in many negative outcomes, such as sexually transmitted diseases, car accidents, poor health, and even early death. Therefore, it's essential that we further investigate these risk and protective factors that are associated with alcohol use disorder among college populations. Because alcohol use among college students is more than 3 times that of the general adult population, it was my goal to investigate how personality traits of constraint and negative emotionality might be associated with alcohol use disorder during the first 2 years of college. Constraint is characterized as careful, cautious, and danger avoidant, while negative emotionality is characterized as the mood experiences of stress, fear, and anxiousness. In order to meet the criteria for an alcohol use disorder, an individual must meet 2 out of the total of 11 symptoms, such as withdrawal or tolerance. A great deal of research has been done investigating alcohol use and personality. However, little has been done in order to detangle antecedent from consequence in longitudinal data while also evaluating results by gender. I used the College Experiences Study data, which assessed Auburn University students during their first and second year of college. Results showed that greater alcohol use disorder symptoms at wave 1 was significantly predictive of lower constraint scores at wave 2, representing a scar complication model, where alcohol use at one time point was influencing personality maturation at a later time point. Interestingly, these results were only found for males, not for females. Surprisingly, negative emotionality was not associated with alcohol use disorder at either time point for males or for females. These results were in line with previous work done by Blonigan and colleagues, which found that alcohol use initiation was associated with decreases in constraint and increases in negative emotionality. The 2 key findings I would like to emphasize is first, that there appears to be some gender differences in alcohol use disorder and personality development during the first 2 years of college. So further research is needed in investigating these gender differences. Secondly, negative emotionality is actually less relevant than constraint in college populations, but it could be beneficial to implement personality-targeted interventions to individuals with low constraint during the first 2 years of college. Thank you.